little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super fun, a playground with a swing and a slider. Are you ready to create? Let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's start drawing with our black marker. We'll begin with the swing. Let's draw the pillars that hold up the swing. Great job! Now, let's connect them with a top bar. Next, let's add the ropes of the swing. These will hang down from the top bar. And finally, let's draw the swing cradle at the bottom where we sit and swing. Awesome! Our swing is ready. Now, let's move on to the slider. We'll start by drawing the curved slider part. This is where all the fun happens. Perfect. Now, let's add the ladder beside the slider so the kids can climb up and slide down. To make our slider even more fun, let's draw some small and big circles in the railing. Fantastic! Our playground drawing is complete. But wait, we're not done yet. Let's make the outline bold and sharp with our black marker to really make our artwork pop. Look at how nicely our slider and swing are looking. They're ready for some playtime fun. Yay! Now, it's time to add some color. Let's make our playground vibrant and exciting with rainbow colors. Let's start with red color. Next, let's use orange color. Now, let's add some yellow color. Time for some green color. Let's use blue color now. And don't forget indigo color. Finally, let's finish with purple color. Wow! Our playground looks so colorful and fun. Fantastic job, everyone! Look at our beautifully colored playground, ready for some amazing adventures. Hi, little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Are you ready to draw something super fun today? We're going to create a colorful train puppet toy. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your markers, and let's get started. Let's begin by drawing the driver's room. Draw a tall rectangle, but make sure to curve the top a little to give it a fun shape. This is where our train driver sits. Next, let's draw the engine. Draw another rectangle attached to the driver's room, but curve it slightly on the right side. This will be the powerful engine of our train. Every train needs a chimney. Let's draw a chimney on top of the engine. Make it tall and round so that it looks like it can puff out lots of smoke. Now, let's add 4 big wheels at the bottom of our train. Draw circles with a base underneath to keep our train steady on the tracks. Don't forget to add a window on the driver's room so the driver can see where they're going. Time to make this train into a puppet toy. Fill the driver's room, engine, and even the wheels with small circles. These are the puppet bubbles that make our toy so much fun. Finally, let's draw some smoke puffs coming out of the chimney. Make them big and fluffy, like cotton candy clouds. Let's make it even better by outlining everything with a bold black marker. This will make our train pop out even more. Let's make each part of our train bright and beautiful. Wow, our train is looking amazing. Now comes the best part, coloring. We're going to use rainbow colors to make our train super colorful and fun. Grab your color pens, and let's color together. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Wow! color. Blue color. Indigo color. Purple color. You're doing an awesome job. Look at that. Our rainbow train poppet toy looks fantastic. If you had fun drawing and coloring with us today, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and join us for more creative adventures. See you next time, little artists. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.